Hello, Painting Peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. Vegas, baby. We are coming at you. We are coming at you so big and so strong. It makes this girl's heart go pitter-patter. This is going to be amazing, mind-blowing, over-the-top, stunning, fantabulous PourCon, August 6th through 9th, Vegas, Green Valley Ranch. Artists from all over the world are going to be there. Be still my heart, guys. Come paint with us. Come hang by the pool. Drinks are on the Massey Boys. I can't wait to see you. Vegas, we're coming at you stronger than ever. See you there.
Let your body take control. Just move a little closer. And I say, oh, it's a night we'll both remember. Oh, sweet surrender. Oh, we're moving close together. Wanna make your body mine through the night. Hot and sweet through the night. Let's get out fast and slow.